Colt, is this your first time riding the P-Dub ever?
Yeah.
All right. So you could reach the ground, right?
Yeah.
Not really? All right. Well, I started it for you, so you didn't do everything, but you could just about reach the ground. Yeah, you could go. Windy. Jax, what do you think? You want to ride it?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go, Daddy.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Jax. Go. Here, Jax, watch out. Here, fly by. Let's see how fast it goes.
Let's go, Dad.
Wow. His legs out. Look at the legs out. Look at the car flipped over. Good job. Good job. It was tight up there. Oh, all right, all right. Nice turnaround. Yeah. I hope it doesn't slide out. It's like a little, it just rained a little, so it's slippery.
Here, I got it. Here, Daddy.
Oh my God.
Here, Daddy. Here, Daddy.
Hey, Colt, good job for your first time.
Here, take it.
We're at Raceway, he said. Yeah. Jax says, yay, dirt bike. Oh, it sticks through here. I'll follow you. Through the puddles. That was fast. Good job. Hi. Go, go, go. Me? He's like, yeah, just go. All right. He doesn't want me going behind him. Jackson. Oh my God, that means he wants the throttle. He keeps twisting it. Okay. Jackson driving. This is so scary. We can't go in the woods yet. We're gonna practice a couple days and then we'll go in. Let me follow you. I'll film it. Look at Jackson won't let me. Go in front of me. Oh, it took off. All right, Jackson. Got it? We're gonna load it up. Good job.
Good job, Koltyn.
I'm a black.
You wanna help push
I'm
it up the
gonna
ramp?
sleep.
Here, push it back.
I'm gonna sleep.
Oh, Jackson.
Good job. Right here.
Oh, you getting the tie strap?
Look
Oh,
at
you
truck.
want to open it?